Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Pop Century Resort, which is actually our favorite value resort. We are staying in a preferred pool view room, which is actually right near the main pool and the main building.
Yeah, these rooms sleep up to 4 people. They were refurbished fairly recently, so they've got the hard floors, they've got new beds. They use a Murphy bed instead of a pull-out, so it's kind of nice. And it's 2 real queen beds. There's no pull-out sofa or anything like that. So it's really nice. We really like this resort a lot, and we can't wait to show you the room.
Here we go.
So as we mentioned, this is a preferred pool view. We're here in the 60s section, which is the preferred section. Just means our rooms are facing the hippy dippy pool over here. Now it does get a little bit loud, especially in the afternoons, because they do have the cart over there playing music with the DJ from the rec staff. So it can be a little bit noisy if you're trying to have naps in the afternoon. Something to keep in mind if you're getting a pool view room. Well, let's go inside and see the room itself. You can see the room here has quite a bit of space when you walk in because there is only one bed. The other bed is a Murphy bed up inside the wall there. So on our right, to the right of the Murphy bed, we have some USB outlets and wall outlets, as well as a little nightstand there. And we have one also on the other side, more USB outlets and the phone and another nightstand there. This table doubles as a Murphy bed. If we pull these chairs out, we actually get to pull the bed down on top of the table. So let's pull the chairs across the room. And we just grab this handle here and pull down. And as you can see, the table folds down on top of itself, and the bed just comes right down on top of it. Now this is an actual queen size bed. So you do have 2 queen beds here. This mattress is a standard mattress. It's not a sleeper mattress from a sofa or anything. It's actually a pillow top. It's a really nice mattress here in the pull down. We've got a really cute picture of Pluto up there, sleeping, dreaming of bones. And we're gonna put the bed back up so we can finish up the tour here. Now across the room, directly across from us here, we have the coffee station. You've got a single serve coffee maker, some cups and an ice bucket, a couple more outlets there, and then down below there is a drawer where you'll find your coffee and creamer and things. And then your mini cooler is down here. Keeping in mind this is the newer style mini cooler, there is no freezer section, so it just keeps things cold, nothing that you can freeze in there. On this side of the room we have a pretty big TV here on the wall, as well as a dresser. On the dresser, we have more of those USB outlets as well as wall outlets. Down below, there's a couple cabinets where you'll find your safe, and you'll also find some extra pillows for the bed here. And then, of course, you have a couple drawers for storage as well. The queen size bed over here across the room does have room underneath, so you can store your suitcases. So the under the bed storage is a really nice feature here in these rooms to get those suitcases out of the way. We've got a cute picture up above the bed of Mickey, some pop art there, really like that. And then the bathroom area is separated from the room with a sliding barn door. Now there is no way to lock this barn door, but it does slide really easily to close off the room, and it has that kind of slow close mechanism there so you don't smash any fingers while you're doing it. Here in the bathroom area, we've got some storage on the left. We have a little closet area. We've got a closet rod and some hangers and a few cubbies down below, as well as an additional rod here you can pull out if you need more hanging space. You've got an ironing board there on the wall, and in this little cabinet over to the left you'll find your iron and your hair dryer. Lots of storage space here in the bathroom. They've added these built-ins here that are pretty amazing use of the space. There's a lot of storage in here, a lot of counter space in here as well with the vanity. Just a single vanity, but plenty of room to spread out. And then the mirror has lighting all the way around it, so it's a really, really well lit area for getting ready in the morning. And then over here to the right, you do have a second private room with your toilet and your tub. This is another sliding door that has a full-length mirror on it. This does have a lock, so you can lock that room even though you can't lock the main bathroom off. And then your tub has sliding glass doors instead of a shower curtain. They have switched to those refillable body wash, shampoo, and conditioner bottles, and it is a shower head that's the rainfall style shower head, as well as a removable shower head. So got both of those there in the shower. And that is going to conclude our tour here of this preferred pool view room at Pop Century Resort.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give us a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have. We're happy to answer those. And of course, subscribe to our channel so you know when we have more of these room tours.
And if you'd like more information on Walt Disney World and the Walt Disney World Resorts, head over to our website, herewiththeears.com. There's a link to that in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.